You can earn between $100 to $500 in a completely passive way just by selling your voice using this tool. And that's not all. I'll also share 2 bonus ways to make even more money with it. The tool we're discussing today is none other than Elevenlabs, which many of you might already know. But for those who aren't familiar, let me tell you, this platform is incredibly popular, boasting over 10 million users who create AI voiceovers for all kinds of purposes. However, what most people don't know is that Elevenlabs has a program where you can sell your voice and earn a passive income for life. Here's how it works. Elevenlabs pays 1 to 3 cents per 1,000 characters generated using your voice. Now, at first glance, this might seem like a small amount, but considering the high usage volume of Elevenlabs, if your voice is appealing, you can easily earn $100 to $500 per month with just 30 minutes of initial work. And that's not all. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'll share 2 bonus ways to maximize your earnings with Elevenlabs. Let's start with the step-by-step guide to selling your voice. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Go to the page, the link is in the description, and click on the sign up button. Complete the standard registration process and log in. Step 2. Add your voice. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Voices and then select Add a Voice. On the next screen, click on Professional Voice Cloning. Step 3. Follow voiceover guidelines. Before proceeding, make sure to carefully read all the instructions provided on this page. Here are some key points to remember while recording your voiceover. Ensure there's no background noise or echo. Only one person should be speaking. Avoid any overlapping voices. Use a high-quality microphone for clear recordings. Prepare 30 minutes to 3 hours of voiceover content in advance to upload in the next step. Step 4. Upload and customize your voice. After accepting all the terms and conditions, proceed to the next section. Fill out the required fields as follows. Voice name. Give your voice a unique and appealing name. Language. Choose the language your recordings are in. Voiceover files. Upload all the prepared audio files. Once uploaded, move to the labels section, where you'll assign 5 characteristics to your voice, such as accent, tone, pitch, and style. Provide descriptive values for these characteristics to help users understand your voice better. Finally, write a detailed description of your voice. Make it appealing and professional, highlighting what makes your voice unique. Step 5. Verify and publish. Verify that the uploaded voice is authentically yours. Remember, using someone else's voice is strictly prohibited. Complete any optional fine-tuning, or if you're satisfied, proceed to publish your voice to the whole community with either standard royalties or setting up your own pricing. Keep in mind that once you publish, the voice won't go live immediately. It undergoes a manual approval process, which may be rejected if quality is not good. Once done, you are all up to earn a passive income forever, depending on how much your voice is being used. Now, this was a completely passive way to earn, but as I told you, we'll share 2 more bonus ways to earn from Elevenlabs if you properly master this tool. Once you've mastered the tool, you can monetize your skills by offering AI voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You might wonder why clients pay you when they could use Elevenlabs themselves. Well, many people don't know how to fully utilize the platform or simply don't have time for it. And also, there are advanced techniques involved, such as creating multi-character voiceovers, maintaining consistent tones across different voiceovers, optimizing AI-generated content for various use cases. By offering these specialized services, you can turn this into an easy and profitable side hustle, especially if you're a student or someone looking for extra income. Now for the bonus method 2. Become an affiliate. Another way to earn is by promoting Elevenlabs through their affiliate program. I know it is harder, but watch till the end. First, let's see how to apply. Visit the affiliate page, the link is in the description, and click on Sign Up. Then apply via PartnerStack, which is Elevenlabs' third-party partner for affiliate management. Once approved, you'll earn a 22% commission on every new paid subscriber you refer for the first 12 months, with no earning limits. You might wonder if it is hard to do so, but remember, Elevenlabs is the most popular and go-to tool for any needs, so it is much easier to promote with your fellow friends, family, and content creators. Also, if you go one step ahead and make content using Elevenlabs and simply put link in bio, many will buy to replicate your content. Here is the channel who do exactly the same thing, but if you're wondering how to make such content, stay tuned with this channel. Subscribe and press the notification bell, as we will bring more videos covering exactly how to earn by making AI-generated content in the right way, as most people who try it end up failing, so don't miss out on it.